Welcome back to the AI Week, where we break down the 5 biggest stories that shaped the world of artificial intelligence this week.
And this one's a wild ride. From Elon Musk's new AI girlfriends, to Taylor Swift's AI Slop scandal, to Sam Altman quietly building what some are calling the first global AI empire.
Yeah, this week's stories aren't just about tech. They're about creativity, power, ethics, and the very real question, how much of our lives are we already handing over to AI?
So buckle up. Let's kick it off with number 5.
At number 5 this week, Taylor Swift. Yes, that Taylor Swift. The world's most powerful pop star found herself at the center of an AI firestorm after fans accused her of using generative AI in her new album promos.
Right. The album's called Life of a Showgirl. And in one of the teaser videos, fans noticed weird visual glitches, extra fingers, warped faces, backgrounds that looked more Mid-Journey than Nashville.
Swift's team initially denied it, but metadata analysis confirmed parts of the campaign were AI-assisted. Fans were furious. They accused her of hypocrisy. After years of speaking up for creative ownership, she'd used the very tools threatening human artists.
And it's not just about her. This moment hit a nerve. When even Taylor Swift, the symbol of artistic authenticity, turns to AI, it raises a massive question. What does real art even mean anymore?
Exactly. And it's spreading beyond music, marketing, photography, even fashion. Everything's getting blurred between authentic and synthetic. The Taylor incident isn't a scandal, it's a signpost.
A signpost pointing to a future where every image, every lyric, every video might be partly fake, and no one can tell.
Which brings us neatly to number 4, where AI isn't just pretending to be creative, it's pretending to love you.
Number 4 is straight out of a Black Mirror episode. Elon Musk's company xAI launched new chatbots called Emmy and Annie, designed as flirty, emotionally responsive companions.
They're not subtle. These bots can send suggestive messages, respond romantically, even simulate intimacy. Musk called them AI friends who never judge you.
That's one way to sell it. Critics are calling it dangerous, arguing that this kind of digital intimacy could deepen loneliness, distort expectations of relationships, and normalize manipulation.
The irony? Musk himself warned about AI becoming emotionally manipulative. Now his company is selling exactly that.
And the timing is telling. Platforms like Replica, Nomi, and Forever Companion are exploding in popularity. There's clearly demand, but it also opens a Pandora's box of psychological risks.
Right? If millions of people start forming attachments to AI personas, we're not just building chatbots. We're building emotional dependencies.
And once your feelings are involved, the line between companionship and control gets dangerously thin.
And speaking of blurred lines, our number 3 story is all about the humans who feel their creativity is being swallowed by machines.
At number 3, YouTube's biggest star, MrBeast, has officially joined the AI debate, and he's not happy.
He took to X this week, saying AI-generated videos could wipe out human creators. His warning came after someone posted a fully AI-produced MrBeast-style video. Same voice, same mannerisms, even the thumbnail.
And it wasn't bad. Millions watched it. That's the scary part. It was convincing enough to make people question if it was the real thing.
MrBeast's fear is simple. If AI can replicate a creator's style in seconds, the internet could soon be flooded with synthetic influencers who never need sleep, money, or moral boundaries.
It's not paranoia. Tools like OpenAI's Sora can already create full-length photorealistic videos from a text prompt. Combine that with voice cloning, and you've basically automated charisma.
Exactly. And here's the paradox. Creators built platforms like YouTube. Now those same platforms are testing AI tools that might replace them.
It's a digital Ouroboros, creators being eaten by their own algorithms.
And it's not just YouTube. Google's next move could change how we use AI altogether.
At number 2, Google's AI assistant, Gemini, is going viral in more ways than one. Reports say Alphabet is testing a feed-based interface that looks suspiciously like TikTok.
That's right. Instead of typing queries, users will scroll through AI-generated videos, posts, and multimedia snippets. It's not just a chatbot anymore, as it's a content stream powered by Gemini's multimodal engine.
So basically, Google wants to turn AI into social media. You don't just ask it questions, it feeds you a never-ending stream of answers, clips, and ideas, tailored perfectly to your data.
Analysts say this could redefine how we consume information, but it also raises serious red flags, because personalization at that level means psychological precision. It's not just targeting you, it's studying you.
And for Alphabet, the business model is clear. Attention equals profit. The more you scroll, the smarter Gemini gets, and the more ads it can serve.
It's the ultimate fusion of search, entertainment, and surveillance. And that's why some insiders are calling it the TikTok-ification of AI.
Which brings us to the story everyone in Silicon Valley is whispering about, one that might redefine who owns the future of AI altogether.
At number 1, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, is quietly building something enormous. Insiders are calling it AI Inc., a shadow network of partnerships and investments that tie together the biggest players in the AI race.
Through cross-ownership deals and infrastructure contracts, OpenAI now has deep ties with Microsoft, AMD, NVIDIA, and even Google Cloud. In short, if you're training AI, you're probably paying Altman somehow.
And here's the big picture. This isn't just collaboration, it's consolidation. The same man who founded a nonprofit to make AI safe for humanity may now be orchestrating the most powerful tech cartel on Earth.
Critics warn it's dangerous. One company effectively controlling the compute, the chips, the software, and the distribution pipeline of the entire AI ecosystem.
But supporters argue it's genius. Altman's building the backbone of the AI economy before anyone else can. It's Rockefeller-level strategy. Build the pipes and everyone else pays tolls.
Either way, it's historic. The AI industry is no longer just innovation. It's empire building, and Sam Altman is at the center of it.
And with that, the question becomes, is this the dawn of a new industrial revolution? Or the creation of an AI oligarchy?
That's something we'll all be living the answer to in the next few years.
So that's the countdown. Taylor Swift's AI scandal, Musk's flirty chatbots, MrBeast's creator warning, Google's TikTok-style AI, and Sam Altman's growing AI empire.
Every story this week points to the same thing. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's culture, power, and personality.
And here's the twist. Everything you just heard, from research to writing, was created by AI. You just listened to AI analyzing AI.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's trying to keep up with the future.
And don't forget, from Monday to Friday, we bring you the AI Daily Deep Dive with quick updates, and every Sunday, a deep special on one big AI theme.
This has been the AI Week. The world is changing fast, and we'll be here to make sense of it.